Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bee-guard hummingbird feeders on the market, the Perky-Pet 203CPBN-2. If you're looking to attract these beautiful creatures to your garden while keeping pesky bees at bay, this might just be the perfect solution for you. The Perky-Pet 203CPBN-2 comes with a pinch waist design, which not only looks elegant but also serves a functional purpose. It features 4 flower-shaped feeding ports, each with a comfortable perch. This design allows multiple hummingbirds to feed simultaneously, making it a lively addition to any garden. One of its standout features is the built-in ant moat. Simply fill it with water, and it creates a barrier against ants, ensuring that your nectar remains untouched by unwanted visitors. The wide-mouth bottle design makes refilling a breeze, reducing spills and messes. Plus, it holds up to 8 ounces of nectar, ensuring your hummingbirds always have enough to enjoy. Now, let's talk maintenance. Cleaning this feeder is a breeze. You can easily disassemble the ant moat, base, bottle, and ports for thorough cleaning. Even the bee guards come apart, ensuring every nook and cranny is accessible. Keeping your feeder clean is essential for the health of your hummingbirds. And the Perky-Pet 203CPBN-2 makes that process hassle-free. Now, in terms of value, you can find this feeder for a great price on Amazon. It's competitively priced compared to similar models, and with its features, it offers excellent value for money. Overall, if you're looking for a hummingbird feeder that combines functionality, durability, and ease of maintenance, the Perky-Pet 203CPBN-2 is definitely worth considering. It's a top choice for anyone who wants to attract hummingbirds while keeping ants and bees away. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews. See you next time.